We were going through a lot of website and then we came across this particular thing now, and they all look great, aesthetically good. They look great as well, but the only problem was portability. These things were not portable, and then they were expensive as well. Then I started searching deep, and then I found few of them here. You can see all of them look really great, and this looks really great aesthetically as well. Design also looks great, but then this is going to be more and more expensive than the other ones. Then as I scroll down, I can see here it's a trolley one, but it's actually a great jugaad, but it wouldn't look great on your terrace or on your garden. If I scroll down, I saw another one. This also looks good, very antique look, but the problem was it wouldn't look great, just that it is inexpensive. The other designs are good, and when I was scrolling down, then I came across this design. So when I saw the drum images in the Google Images, I was like, wait a minute, I have seen similar drums inside the washing machine. Now I need to find my old washing machine to find the drum, otherwise I have to find a place where I can find old drums. Scrapyard. So we are going to the scrapyard. See you at the scrapyard. See ya. We got some inspired from the drum Firepit. We have come to this scrap to search for a washing machine used drum. We were looking for it, and then suddenly we saw few drums there. Not the good looking ones, but then we saw few of them, and we had to search for a better one. So we started searching. What is there to help me? Yay! So you have to.
This one, man.
Oh, nice. I think that is enough for it.
I don't have to go that one.
There is a bigger one also. I think how about this? Looks clean, no?
But there are no holes, man.
Oh, no holes. That means the heat won't be coming out. So I think we'll fix with this. That is much better now.
Yeah, it is good, man.
Okay, we'll take that, Vadi. But I like this also, Vadi. Keep it, we'll see, Vadi. We'll try take. Oh, we can use it as a stand also, Vadi.
Yes.
Oh, we can use it as a stand also. I think it looks better.
But you cannot use it for anything.
Yeah, I know. But stand, it looks good.
Basically, we did not have much time to make the entire video, so what we found was a stainless steel rod, and then cut it into 3 pieces, and we drilled a hole in the rod, and then we got it home.
Since we had already drilled the holes, we found the exact points here, and then we have put the screws.
Yeah. Yeah.
So some places, if the holes are a little bit smaller than 5 mm, these are 3 mm, these are I think 5 mm.
Yeah.
So we had to drill it using a driller, so that we could show in the video even a little bit running short of time.
And the best part of using this drum is it has tiny holes, and that holes actually provides enough oxygen for the fire to burn consistently, and that hole itself actually provides enough warmth outside, and it is consistent. And best part is the fire burns upwards and it is not haywire, and also the smoke goes just upwards, it's not haywire. And the final part about this project, the cost. Whole thing costed me almost around 350 to 400 rupees only, and I think anybody can spend that much amount of money and then get it done for yourself. It's winter anyway, the winter is coming, the winter is there. And so if you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe. You want some more videos similar to this, comment down below, and that's it. See you next time. Peace.